to show you how to make a command block. Just put that command slash give as. Always put the a, okay? But not the a, the a. And then put command underscore block. And then you should get it, but remember to put